Hello friends, welcome to my class. Today I would like to explain the previous question paper of applied physics which was conducted in November-December 2020, regulation 18 for JNTH. Let us see. So in this examination only the paper pattern has been changed. Okay, only long question are given, remaining short questions are not there. Nothing but bit 1 is not there, only single bit is given. So there are total 8 questions are given. Out of 8 questions you have to attempt any 5 questions. Okay, so this exam pattern maybe changes later on. Okay, this is only for a special case which was conducted in November-December in 2020 due to pandemic situations. Now let us see. The first question is, what is physical significance of wave function? Okay, and derive the Schrodinger's time independent wave equation. These two questions are belongs to first unit. Okay, so this is derive the Schrodinger's time independent wave equation is a very important and the significance of wave function also important questions. Nothing but we can say there is a important questions are covered in this examination. And if you see the second question, explain the VI characteristics of PN junction diode. This is expected or guess question. Next, describe the Hall effect in a semiconductors. Derive the Hall voltage and Hall coefficient. This is very important and guessed question. And what is transistor? Okay, and explain the working of common base NPN transistor with a suitable circuit diagram. This is also very expected question. And explain VI characteristics of GNOT diode. This is also very important question. So this second question and third question, in that there are 5 questions are there. Okay, A, B, C. So these 5 questions are belongs to second unit only. Second unit, that is semiconductor physics. First unit is quantum mechanics. Now let us see. Fourth question is, explain the construction and working of semiconductor laser. And 4b, nothing but what are the major requirements of a photo detector for a better performance. Okay, this fourth question A and B are belongs to third unit, that is optoelectronics. And fifth question 5a, what are the source of noise in photodiode? State the various figures of merit parameters used to access the noise performance. This is not a unexpected question, but we can expect explain the working of the pin diode. This is the expected question, belongs to third unit, that is optoelectronics. And sixth question is, what are the characteristics and properties of laser light? This is also expected question. And sixth B, what is numerical aperture of an optical fiber? What is its significance? This is very most important expected question. Okay, and this sixth question A and B belongs to fourth unit, that is lasers and fiber optics. And seventh A and B also belongs to lasers and fiber optics, that is first. Seventh A is explain the construction and working of helium neon laser. And seventh B is give a block diagram for optical communication through the fiber optics cable. What are the advantages of optical communication? This is also expected. Just we accept that what advantages and disadvantages of optical fiber, that we expect. So helium neon laser is very most important expected question that already appeared. Okay, this is belongs to lasers and fiber optics. And last question, eighth question, that define the terms magnetic moment and magnetization and magnetic field. Obtain an expression relating to these quantities. Okay, generally we expect that is definition for the magnetic moment, magnetization, magnetic field. Definition and units we expect, but so here the question is appear like this: obtain expression relating to these quantities. This is unexpected, we can write it as. And 8b is describe the domain theory of ferromagnetism. This is also very expected question. So almost as 80 to 85% of the questions already expected are very most important questions have appeared. Okay, in the November-December 2020 examination for applied physics, regulation 18 JNTH. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you.